Then what I have to do? Look in. I think class 5 student also can follow my workshop. Then come here. Here the main objective is you have to select where you kept that Excel file. I kept in desktop and I made a folder PLS-SEM researcher BD. I'll open this folder. See here. Here is my data set. Yes. This is my data set. And I am selecting and then click open. Just wait. Yes, magic. And what I have to do? Okay. Okay. Then I'm clicking on OK. Then by this time say OK. Again, I have to go file. This is some other option also is made there, but it is very easy for me. Then what I'll do? I'll go file and save as. If you don't save untitled, it will be there, but you should give a file name. So what file name we will give? We will give the PLS-SEM BDBR. Our BDBR. Now you click on save. Done. Now you can close this. Your SPSS. Click on no problem. How minimize this? Now, where is this? It is saved in your original folder. Can you see it is there? Yes, it is there. I'm deleting this because this is last night I have checked. See, PLS-SEM BDBR, it is there. So now what to do? Again, it is opening. I'll close this. But as we don't have enough time and you have the recording, so you can say you can practice by yourself later on. So now I have imported my data into SPSS. Now you need the software. I don't know if you have basic knowledge. So SmartPLS software, you can student version or trial version you can use for 30 days in a single email in your one time in your laptop. And after that, you have to buy the license kit. And in Bangladesh, I know few of them they are offering 30 days, but it is expensive also, 1,500 taka or maybe minimum 1,000 taka for 30 days license kit. So the problem is it is giving the red signal. Don't worry. Now, if you SmartPLS 4, I don't know who has the idea about the SmartPLS 3, but SmartPLS 4 is very smart. You have to choose a workstation. So what I am doing, I'm selecting a workstation. I could select over there, but I'm creating here on new folder. This is my workstation. I'm keeping here. That means everything will be saved over there. Now what I'll do, click on here, choose workspace. I could select any file, but I didn't select. So just from this, what I'll do, I'll go this PC and I have to go to the desktop. See, new folder I have selected. You can follow me. Select the folder. Yes. Now my workspace. Yes. Alhamdulillah. Now my workspace has been selected. So that's why red color has been gone. Now you have to start with a new project. Click on new project. You have to give a project name. Our project name is BRBD. BRBD, our project name. Create the project. Very smart. Magic. Everything is magic. Now look at here. What I have to do? First, I have to import the data file. What is the data file? See, this is PLS-SEM BRBD. It is my data file. Open. Click open. Now importing. Yes. Alhamdulillah. Click on import. Yes. Now my mouse is white. Okay. Sorry. Yes. So this is the window. I have to go click on back. Then the original option will come. Yes. Now you have to do. No. I'll cancel this already. I have created this. See. Already I have created the model. So now, sorry, I have imported the data file. Now what you have to do? You have to create the model. Click on create model. Now project name will be same. You have to select the PLS-SEM option because we are using the PLS-SEM. And now today for today's workshop, I am showing, we have to do three things: reflective measurement model, formative measurement model, and structural model. But in today's workshop, I am showing you only one part of the practical, that is the reflective measurement model. Reflective measurement model. Okay, right. I can write in full. Reflective measurement, MEASUR, measurement model. Now I am drawing only the reflective measurement model, and also this is for the lower order construct. It's coming. Yes. So this window will come. Now very quickly we'll draw the model. Can you recall our original model, research model? Yes. I'll draw this picture now. Okay. And structural equation modeling, it is nothing but the graphical representation also. In SPSS, you saw or you know that there is no graphical representation. But in structural equation modeling, it is graphical representation. So very quickly, what I am doing, I'm selecting this OS, organizational support, and I'm pressing on enter. See, the SmartPLS 4 is very tough. In earlier software like SmartPLS 2, 3, it was very difficult to draw this. Okay, now it is very smart. Then I think it is disturbing me. Let's work with this. Then what I will do? TMC, top management commitment, just to click on yes, control, and you select all. Then what you have to do? Just simply, sorry, why my mouse is not, just drag and paste and enter. TMC. Then I need the work-life balance also. Let me take on the board all, then I will draw the picture. My mouse is giving troubles. Then I have to take also, then leadership also I'm taking, no problem. This is the moderator. You will show how to set the moderator. And finally, one more, that is the OP, organizational performance. Oh, Alhamdulillah. Finally, it come. Yes, it came, but it didn't come properly. So let me delete this. Okay. So leadership style, I have to take once again. My mouse is not. Yes, Alhamdulillah.